Welcome back to Future Cars Garage. Fast-paced cinematic shots of the Xiaomi SU7 drifting and its sleek LED headlights turning on. For years, the electric vehicle world was a two-horse race between Tesla's tech and Porsche's luxury. But today, a new challenger has entered the ring, and it's not from a traditional car maker. It's from a tech giant you carry in your pocket. This is the Xiaomi SU7. It's sleek, it's lightning fast, and it's being called the smartphone on wheels. Is it really a Tesla and Porsche killer? Let's dive deep into the details. Close-ups of the car's curves, the active rear spoiler, and the aqua blue paint. First, look at it. The SU7, which stands for Speed Ultra, is a masterclass in aerodynamics. It has a drag coefficient of just 0.195, making it one of the most aerodynamic production cars in the world. From the teardrop-shaped headlights to the halo taillights, every inch is designed to cut through the wind. It's low, wide, and looks every bit like a supercar that belongs on a track. On-screen graphics showing 0 to 100 kilometers per hour stats, and the car zooming on a highway. Now let's talk raw power. The top-tier Max version features dual motors delivering a massive 673 horsepower. It goes from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in a mind-blowing 2.78 seconds. That's faster than the Tesla Model S and even the Porsche Taycan Turbo. With a top speed of 265 kilometers per hour, Xiaomi isn't just making a commuter car, they've built a speed demon. Interior shots, the 16.1-inch central screen, and a person syncing their Xiaomi phone to the car. Step inside, and you'll see why it's called a smartphone on wheels. Driven by Xiaomi's HyperOS, the car connects seamlessly with your phone and home appliances. Imagine sitting in your car and turning on your home AC or checking your fridge via the dashboard. It features a 16.1-inch 3K central console, a massive 56-inch head-up display, and physical buttons for those who still love the tactile feel. It's the ultimate tech hub. Charging port opening and a map showing a long route. Range anxiety? Not here. The SU7 comes with an 800-volt fast-charging architecture. Just 15 minutes of charging can give you 510 kilometers of range. On a full charge, the Max version can travel up to 800 kilometers. That's enough to drive from San Francisco to Los Angeles with plenty of juice left. The car driving into the sunset, followed by the Xiaomi logo. With a price point that undercuts its rivals and tech that exceeds them, the Xiaomi SU7 is a wake-up call to the entire automotive industry. The question isn't just about cars anymore, it's about the ecosystem. Would you trade your Tesla for a Xiaomi? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech and auto updates. See you in the next one.